Yeah, Lion Norton. The whole team. Isaac Charles. When you get them rhythm, yeah, you just have to flow. You over. This is Trinidad. And where the youth them well bad, but still.
I wanna rap so, leave me, let me rap. Leave me, let me rap so. Wanna rap so. Leave me, let me rap so. I wanna rap so, leave me, let me rap. King Nut, well, King Nut does rap so. Ready to rap so. I want to introduce my brother to all ya. A rap so soldier.
We love you rap so. Bring on the rap so.
Tonight.
I like the rap so.
We got a rap so.
Tonight we got the rap so. We want the rap so. Bring on the rap so. Another want the rap so. We want the rap so. Up on the ranch, well, we want the rap so. We love you rap so.
Yes. Tonight we got a rap
so.
So leave me, let me rap. Wanna rap? I ain't no leno. I ain't leave me, let me rap. Tonight we wanna rap. Well, King One does rap so. Uber does rap so. So leave me, let me rap so.
We like the rap so.
Tonight we gonna rap so. Let me rap so, leave me, let me rap so. Remember, long road from Magagota. The trouble, the provoke ya. The way you make it, the way you lie. Make easy sunshine, no crap, smoke your pipe. Johnny said, who don't get short to feel? Don't drink bush tea for nobody fever. The longest rope that ever in. Well, now we tell them again, Sheldon does rap so. Isaac does rap so. Resistance is rap so short, yeah. Yeah, but soca, we
Up on the ranch we rap so.
tonight we gonna rap. Hey, leave me let me rap so. We wanna rap, tonight we gonna rap so. Hey.
Power the rap so. We control the rap so.
Yeah.
Now we come from far, we come from far. We want the rap so.
Tonight we
We love
gonna
the
rap
rap so.
so.
We love the rap so. We like the rap so. Quite
We love the rap so.
tomorrow.
But I know Smolly clean. Smolly, if you go back yellow, but I know Smolly said we got one right, just right.
Hey, Will!
Don't wanna fool you, right, just
Bop, bop!
I don't see this one. If you go back right, but I know she paid, she bet. If you go back wrong, but I know she can't be come, and we got one right, just right, just. I don't wanna fool you, don't just right, just right, just. I don't wanna fool you, don't. Yeah. I just.
We're going forward. So we're going, the last music that Shorty had produced was Jamu. And before that, Soca. But he was a calypsonian. So I decide, in this Friendship Festival, I'm going to do some authentic calypso. Right? And these are two tunes that Shorty I wrote. House of Calypso. One second. Yeah. House of Calypso says it all from the foundation as far as Calypso is concerned. So, yeah. Yeah, so this song was written in 1993, right? 1993, a lot of Calypsonians was coming to me and say, Abby, you don't sing Calypso, you know, you just sing a kind of song thing. I say, I just sing Calypso. So I said, sure, write a Calypso for her. Yeah. I was born to be a musician, a composer, a calypsonian, to carry on in this generation with the forefathers' tradition, to inform and to educate, to transform and eradicate the evils of humanity with good lyrics and sweet melody. I will change the society. Listen, I come from the house of Calypso. soca vibration. I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca. Ba-da-ba-da, ba-da-ba, ba-ba-ba. Hey, rabba-bi-da-da, ba-ba-ba, bi-da-ba, bi-da-da-da. Rabba-bi-da-da, ba-da-ba-da, ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da, ba-di-bi-da, ba-ba-ba-da. My father say, while in the belly, as a fetus, the Lord bless me. And one day I'm going to be a real famous celebrity, touching lives with my influence. As I strive to reach excellence in a world full of wickedness, I'll act as the catalyst to bring man back to righteousness. Listen, I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca, every morning you should see Stalin coming by me for Friday and pumpkin. I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca, sitting there before always lying, I be trying to put soca in the chutney. I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca, kitchen and sparrow, choppy shadow and pretender. This price to this rolling star. I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca. Ba-da-ba-da, ba-da-ba, ba-ba-ba. Hey, rabba-bi-da-da, ba-ba-ba, bi-da-ba, bi-da-da-da. Rabba-bi-da-da, ba-da-ba-da, ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da, ba-di-bi-da, ba-ba-ba-di-da. I was trained to hear melody in everything that surrounds me, and my brain is always ready to translate that in harmony, like the birds that they tweet, tweet, tweet. I want every word to sound sweet, sweet, sweet. Let every chord in the masses will sing with sweet musical language to carry on my message. Listen, I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca, Barman must go and all wrong now. The light in the bar by Sando's sister. I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca, Kadachan and Balantes, the choker. When back Indians start doing soca, I come from the house of Calypso. In the village of soca, they call me Abby going. I want to build up the nation, not for the dawn. Inspire the children to carry on. Just as we live in now easy, so as we independently, collectively, and spiritually must work with what God gave we individually for prosperity to build a society exclusive and completely TNT. When Chinese stop being Chinese and Portuguese, Portuguese. But there is no mother India for the Indian and Africa for Africans. When a moon stop being Assyrian and the French we all drop the tradition, I go stand at attention and sing the anthem. God bless our nation. This land is mine. Everything Begonian should say. This land is mine, I wouldn't forsake her in any way. United together, we will stand strong. Divided asunder, things will go wrong. Look how we have the place in a mess. I say yes, living careless, playing reckless and dying from stress. Look around, it's so much to mess, and yet to confess how the nation blessed. Unity, nothing less. We clean up the mess that the land possess. When Chinese stop being Chinese and Portuguese, Portuguese. When there is no mother India for the Indian and Africa for Africans. When a food stop being Assyrian and the French will all drop the tradition. I will stand at attention and sing the anthem. God bless our nation. Yes. Da 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 da.
Bop, 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 bop.
You never leave me up with, you never leave me to sing. You always with me in my time of struggle. You never leave me weary, you never leave me lonely. Always guide and protect me. Hey, you never leave me desolated and afflicted. Cause in the desert song, you are mine. Hey, so when they walk in there, wow, what do you say? Why? So they can jump in. Wow. What a wonderful God, you always live everywhere. So they can jump in up to this. What a wonderful God, you are my back. Always sing the other to sing. Whoa, whoa, hey, say it, eh? True love come back. Wow, no, I have to say it. Say, yeah, it is. Woo, true love come back to go away. No, so we good. So let me drop now. So they got drop. Wow. God, you always say me when I want that. So they got jumping up there. What a wonderful God you are. Always say na 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 na. Hey. This is the truth. Say you made me strong, and I go in. Say you made me strong, and I went in this song. Hey, you made me strong, and I go in. So cause the most high God, whoa. I shall the attack, hey, it is. Yeah, you're like a magic away all night. You know what I got to say. Yeah, well, let's do energy. So let me go. So one, two, three, wow. So let go. God, you always say for me when I'm yo, so they got jumping. Hey. God bless you. My name is Isaac Blackman. Love you. Friendship Festival, say yeah. Woo! Pick it up. Mosiah and the ones and twos and the trees. You don't know.
Yeah, man.
Somebody say yeah. Wow.
Vibes.
Jumping. Come and do this song again, man. He's asking, you all have energy. So some love to Isaac Taman. That's the last of the Blackman Clan now. Yeah, man. You gonna do something? Nehelat is on stage. Show some love to Nehelat. And she says she ain't going to sing something by giving her the mic.
Guys, I want to say thank you all so much for coming out for another Friendship Festival. Give us a round of applause. And for all those who been in the river, let me hear you say yeah. Liars. I'm not going to sing tonight, but I just want to say thank you and to Sheldon and his hard work, the team, Isaac, all the chefs, Chef Blackman and Andy and everybody who put in the hard work, Sheldon, Eldon.
Yeah.
I don't have any tracks. I retire from singing.
At least one.
I will be your backup singer.
You're the Chidi Mokosa. I the little thing, I find the little thing. Yeah. I can find it on your phone? Okay. Yeah, but you know.
I'm live on the Blackman Ranch, that's it. Fire, blaze on a certain Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, I Jah. Blessed love everyone. Yeah.
Let's get it there from you.
I see so.